Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a stamp on DocuSign. So if you want to add your own stamp on DocuSign, you can easily add that in. So to do that, click your account on the upper right and click and manage profile. On the profile section, you will have a stamp section. So click on stamps, and from here you can add your own stamp. So click on add, and you want to go ahead and upload the stamp that you have. So this supports JPG, JPEG, GIF, PNG, and a few others, right? And of course, your stamp must be no more than 200 kilobyte. So once you have these, just simply click on browse, find the image that you want to upload as your stamp. I'm going to choose this right here, and you can go ahead and you can adjust it to your liking. Once you adjust it, click on next, and from here you can give your stamp a name. So I'm going to call this DT, for example, Drew Tutorial, and you can make it as your default stamp. As an example, I'm going to do that as well, and then click on create, and you will see right here that it creates your stamp, and now you have your stamp right here. You can add more stamps as well. So that's pretty much that, guys. Very easy and very simple. At any point in time you want to go and edit your stamp, you can click on action, click on edit, or you can delete, or you can add a stamp, and you can even replace the current stamp. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and add your stamp on DocuSign.